Guys, for today's video, bigyan naman natin ng pansin ang isa sa request ng ating sulit na taga-suporta. My class 54, Mr. Mark Antonidad. Inad, shout out sa inyo dyan. Bye. Sabi niya, bye, patry daw po yung graphing ko, linear inequalities in one variable. Okay, so by this video is para sa ito at para sa mga grade 7 na po na gusto matuto ng how to graph a linear inequalities in one variable. Okay, hindi niya po specific na anong gusto niya, linear inequality ba in one variable or two variables. But for this video, pag-usapan muna natin yung one variable. And then for the next video, yun naman yung two variables. Okay, let's go. Okay, number 1, we have 3x plus 8 is less than negative 10. Okay, solve muna natin tong linear inequality na to, tapos lagay natin dito yung graph niya. Okay, so 3x, lipat natin tong positive 8 on the other side of the inequality. So we copy the inequality symbol. Okay, just copy this negative 10. Once malipat na sa other side, magiging negative 8 to. Okay, so yan na po. Tapos, again, copy natin itong 3x less than negative 10 minus 8, rules of sign numbers po tayo, and let's become negative 18. Okay, so divided by 3, divide natin by 3, and then we cancel 3 and 3, so x is less than negative 18 divided by 3 is negative 6. Okay, so x is less than negative 6. Okay, so draw natin ang graph natin dito. Una, gawa muna tayo ng number line. Okay, so we have here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity. And then the left side of 0 is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7 to negative infinity. Okay, so saan po pupunta yung graph natin when x is less than negative 6? So basically, ang technique po dito is ito yung symbol. So pa-left po siya. Okay, pa-left po. So from negative 6, the movement of the graph is pa-left tayo. Okay, notice hindi po kasali ang 6. Hindi po kasali ang negative 6. So ibig sabihin, open dot po tayo dito. Okay, what does it mean? Hindi kasali ang 6. Okay, so less than negative 6, you have negative 7, negative 8, negative 9 to negative infinity. So the movement of the graph is going to this direction. Okay, so that's the graph of x is less than negative 6. Alright, number 2, negative 4x minus 8 is greater than or equal to negative 2x. Okay, so constant on the other side, right side, and variable, lagay natin dito sa left side. Okay, so negative 4x, lipat natin tong negative 2x, nagiging positive 2x, and then we copy the inequality greater than or equal to, tapos lipat natin tong negative 8, magiging positive 8. Okay, combine like terms lang po tayo. We have negative 4x plus 2x is of course negative 2x, and then greater than or equal to 8. Okay, so next we have to divide this by negative 2, and we have to divide this by negative 2 para ma-cancel po yung negative 2. Okay, now notice nag-divide po tayo ng negative. So the rules of for inequality, if mag-divide ka or mag-multiply ng negative, automatically ma-reverse yung inequality symbol natin. Okay, so since negative 2 ang dinidivide natin, negative 2 ito, so x, ang inequality symbol po is ma-reverse siya. So instead of greater than, nagiging less than or equal to negative 4. Okay, so graph natin, less than or equal to negative 4. Okay, ito natin lagay ang 0 kasi negative 4. So we have 1, 2, 3 to infinity. And then we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative infinity. Pasensya na po, wala po tayong red marker kaya hindi natin ma-emphasize ang graph. Okay, so 4, notice, less than or equal to. So yung number 1, open dot siya since hindi po kasali ang negative 6. But this time, kasali po yung negative 4. So ang gagamitin natin is solid dot, not the open dot. Okay, solid. So we have here negative 4, solid po yan. Okay, less than, so going to the left. Okay, less than, going to the left. So, trace lang natin tong line na to. Dapat maganda. Ibang kulay dapat. Okay, tapos lagyan natin ng arrow. Ibig sabihin, to infinity din po. Okay, so ito po yung graph ng x is less than or equal to negative 4. Okay, so I want you on. Okay, so I want you to answer item number 4. Pakirate lang po na yung answer sa comment section. Okay, so wag lang po kalimutan, mag-follow po tayo, mag-share, and mag-like sa ating mga videos. Okay, may YouTube channel na po tayo. Ang YouTube channel natin is Sir Lan. Pwede din kayo mag-subscribe doon, manood ng mga videos sa ating YouTube channel. Okay, maraming salamat po, and God bless us all.